Hi there, I am here today to show you this new snorkel kit that I just got. It comes in this great mesh pouch so that you can easily take it wherever you want to go. It is a high quality adult snorkel. The mask has tempered glass, so it's not cheap plastic, and you have this nice fit to the mask itself. And then you have your snorkel, you have a very high quality rubber mouthpiece with your snorkel at the top. So you have a clip on the side too so that you can clip the snorkel to the side of your mask. Easily pinch and open that to access the clip. I really like this snorkel set. I love that it comes in the mesh pouch and the quality of the set itself. So once you have that on a nice snug fit, it's going to cover your entire nose. And then you're going to use this to breathe when you are snorkeling. So I've got a really nice fit over my nose. I'm only breathing through my mouth right now. Really great snug. And then you put your snorkel on and you're going to breathe through here. So we're going to go ahead and get in the pool and demonstrate how this works.